Hello kids, today we are learn A to Z and color name. Black color, brown color, peach pink color, light green color, dark green color, gray color, white color, red color, yellow color, sky blue color, purple color, orange color, blue color, pink color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Dark green color. A, A for apple. A for apple. Orange color. B, B for bus. B for bus. Purple color. C, C for cow. C for cow. Pink color. D, D for doll. D for doll. Blue color. E, E for egg. E for egg. Yellow color. F, F for fish. F for fish. Dark green color. G, G for goat. G for goat. Orange color. H, H for hand. H for hand. Purple color. I, I for igloo. I for igloo. Pink color. J, J for jam. J for jam. Blue color. K, K for kettle. K for kettle. Yellow color. L, L for lamp. L for lamp. Dark green color. M, M for moon. M for moon. Orange color. N, N for nest. N for nest. Purple color. O, O for orange. O for orange. Pink color. P, P for pumpkin. P for pumpkin. Blue color. Q, Q for field. Q for field. Dark green color R. R for rose. R for rose. Orange color S. S for squirrel. S for squirrel. Purple color T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Pink color U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Blue color V. V for volleyball. V for volleyball. Dark green color W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Orange color X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Purple color Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Pink color Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. White color, black color, peach pink color, red color, brown color, blue color, grey color, sky blue color, orange color, dark green color, yellow color, light green color, purple color, pink color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Orange color 1. Pink color 2. Sky blue color 3. Purple color 4. Light green color 5. Blue color 6. Brown color 7. Red color 8. Yellow color 9. Dark green color 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.